Kasi, oh my God, Sherry Kagulim. Kasi, sorry iset ko lang isa po, Homo sapiens. Anong sabi? Ano yun? Sige na kami talaga na.
Bobo na nga ako. Grabe, mas bobo pa pala
Sabi
siya.
ko, how come you don't know that? Gumanon talaga ako sa street. Tawa lang ng tawa talaga. Tapos nag-gets ni Carlo. Kaya taglima yung pins niya dito.
Oh my God!
Sabi naman, Carlo, stop it! Stop it!
I think,
Nagano lang si Carlo.
it's just because I didn't go to high school. I didn't finish high school. But I know.
Meron pa isang word.
Mas bobo pa siya.
May isa pang yung parang tipong
No, I know I'm
Verb.
stupid, okay? But he doesn't accept that he doesn't know. He thinks that he can do, he thinks something. He puts himself way
Highly.
up there when his personality shouldn't, because he's not up there. Okay, he has the looks, and he's been given the righteous pass because of his looks. But his personality doesn't fit with his looks. You know, just because you have that power with the way you look, it doesn't mean your personality fits.
Buti na lang gwapo ka. Ganun lang siya.
Buti lang gwapo ka.
Talagang napipigil siya. Si Carlo, gaganyan pa si Carlo.
Bawi pa rin si Carlo.
Di ba, magbibilang pa kami, 1, 2. Dapat within 3 seconds, may mag-give ka ng word. Sasabihin pa ni Carlo na, iintayin pa talagang 2. Pag sabi ni Carlo, tapos siya Russell na, talagang simplest words na talaga, promise. Talagang kami tingin na, oh my God. Yung tipong hindi naman in-expect mo na genius siya, pero
Akala ko din dati medyo may konting alam siya. Tapos nung biglang, ay,
parang napatingin, parang talaga mapapapos ka. Hindi naman na minamaliit mo ha. I mean, like, lahat naman ng bagay, hindi mo alam.
He's really cute. He's cute.
kaya we always joke around, parang, diba, buti na lang, gwapo ka. Buti na lang,
It's okay because you're guapo. But it's true though, because everything has been like, especially if you were clubbing with Jericho, you'd probably be able to get he'd get what he'd want because he's good looking. But his personality, no, exactly.
When you talk na, pag-talk na about substance, doon
He
na siya
doesn't
bang.
know. He doesn't know.
Turn
Doon na
off
siya.
ka.
Yeah.
Oo, magaganon ka.
He needs to get his morals straight. No, not morals. He needs to stop looking at material things and find out who he really is without his looks. Because if you take away his looks, he doesn't have anything. He's not someone that you would date. He's not someone that you would, I don't know. I'm just speaking from my personal. I wouldn't hang out with him if I weren't in this house. Yeah, 'cause I don't like his personality. I mean, he's a fun person to hang out with when I'm in the mood. But if I'm not in the mood, then I wouldn't want to hang out with him. It's just how it's just because if I were to go out for dinner with him, I don't know how. I don't think I'd feel comfortable because I think that he'd be too conscious in himself, whereas it wouldn't be fun, you know. I don't know. It's just yeah. I have a problem. My sister gave it to me. She notices everything from everyone, and and everything she told me, like the little things that I do with myself, I had to fix them, and I notice everything that everyone does. And I know it's bad. Like when I cut things, it has to be the right size. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks.
Sabi nga ni Sater kanina, tingnan mo di ba? Napipikon na. Kasi he knows you're perfectionist. And then you're already getting irritated now with the dance steps. Tawa lang kami ng tawa.
Yeah.
Especially daw, if you commit mistake, not because you did it wrong, but other people did it.
right.
Didn't do the right thing.
But that's it. Okay. If you aren't capable of doing it, take time to practice and make and do it. Don't waste time and not do it and say, oh, but blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah.
Excuses.
You know, there's no room for excuse. Like, I can't speak Tagalog, but the song I practiced, I tried. The dance, I wanted it to be different, so I took time and did the choreo. You know, like, just little things. You have to do something to make it happen. Right?
Na after pa natin nag-cook muna siya.
It's not cooking, it's frying an egg. That's not cooking. My foot can do that.
After
Roy is a cook. Jericho is an egg fryer. It's different. It's different. It's like my dad saying that he can cook because he can fry an egg. No?
Pero in fairness, sa ilang morning siya na nagpa-fry ng egg.
Yeah, he does.
That's it.
Yeah,
Whether
he does.
pakitang tao lang yun or hindi. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's get on him. Doing something.
At saka, simula nung sinabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, ikaw na lang hindi ko nakakausap dito. Doon naman siya nag-all out siya na kakausapin niya talaga ako. Parang, kailangan masabihan muna siya bago niya.
Realize. Ano siya siguro? Less sensible.
Siguro.
Or sensitive sa environment. I don't know.
Yeah. And he plus is really sensitive.
Yan din.
He's a Pisces. He's like me. He's super, super, super sensitive. Yeah. But, and emotional.
You are emotional. Ah, yeah. You are. You easily get teary-eyed and iyakin, medyo iyakin si Divine.
Oo.
Diba, iyakin ka?
My sister is like that.
I accept that. I know it.
Oo nga. Oo, ako naman. Kahit ako din.
That's cute. In fairness, pero lahat sila okay na. Si ano lang, Miguel, Kigoy. Yan lang. Jericho.
Kasi lahat naman tayo may flaws eh. Pero yung flaws na
Na
pagtatawanan kasi accepted
bearable.
na. Accepted na.
Uh-uh.
Accepted na entirely. Parang okay. Siya yan eh. Character niya yan na gano'n. And
That's why I said I have no problem with
Yeah.
Jericho because I've accepted that that's how he is.
just as long as hindi tayo napupurnado sa task. Yung kay Kigoy given na yun eh. Kasi siya talaga may problema na gano'n eh. Sabi nga Denise, uy, hindi pa tayo nag-aaway. Diba?
Kasi usually, diba,
Start of the
pag,
week.
pag may task, usually fight first and then do the thing, do the task, and then yun, ganun.
I can't wait till you guys do me. Have to,
Parang ako rin.
if I knew myself, I would be irritated.
Feeling ko hindi taas yung kay Ray Jericho. Sorry, kuya.
feeling
Pwedeng
ko
mali
rin eh.
ako. Sorry, pwedeng mali ako.
Feeling ko, they would act out kaming dalawa ni Wendy.
Kasi sabi ni Kuya, nakakapagod na. Ano nakakapagod sa ganito? Eh, ano ka naman lang. Di ba, magko-consolidate ka lang naman ang sagot namin. Di ba, kanina nung lumabas ito, sabi, sana, eto na, ang lahat-lahat na para wag nang paulit-ulit nakakapagod eh. Parang,
Maybe they did it everyone already.
sorry, hindi ko na sense yung akin.
You think?
The first time na tinawag si Tol and Tin
No,
together.
but different other people.
With you, every living creature on earth are established by covenant with you. Never again will all life be cut off by the waters of a flood. Never again will there be a flood to destroy